Hi guys, my name is Jenn and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so happy to have every single one of you here today. Real quick, before I get started on anything, just a quick apology for my voice. I am getting over a cold and it's kind of coming and going because believe it or not, this is like the 5th video that I have recorded today. I'm honestly pretty impressed that I still have a voice at all, but I'm so excited to share this stuff with you guys. I just couldn't wait any longer. That being said, if you haven't already noticed by the title, let me show you what we're going to be digging into today. Here I have a great big box. I mean, huge. Freaking huge box from Scentsy. What we're going to find in here is the November 2021 Whiff Box. I know you guys have seen me open a couple of these on my channel already. This one's for the month of November, as well as some additional items. Some of these items are Christmas presents, so if I whisper or if I don't say anything at all and just show them to you, it's because the kids that are getting them are sitting right outside my door, and I want them to be surprised. I do not remember how much I paid for all of these items. I know the Whiff Box was $30. As far as the other items, I cannot remember, so I'll put their prices down at the bottom of the screen for you. I'm going to show you the extra items first. Okay, the first thing that I picked up is a Christmas Cottage fragrance flower. I love these because I work in an office that is one great big room. So I cannot have strongly fragranced items on my desk. And this, it's small, it's compact, and it's got just enough smell to make it pleasant in my little cubicle area. So I have gotten these in my Whiff Boxes before, not this scent, and I love them. So what it is, a bottle with oil in it. This goes on the top, which I can't get on there with the plastic wrap on it. But I want to see what I got in my Whiff Box first before I decide if I'm going to use this right now or not. And then for the wick, or the part that absorbs the oil, you've got this really pretty flower. So this wick will go down into the jar, and then the oil is absorbed into this cloth rose. And yeah, I sniffed it. I don't know why. You know what it smells like? And this is not what it's going to smell like once you get the oil in it. But my grandma used to have a cellar where she kept all of her canned, or the items that she canned and stuff. And so it's kind of got that, it reminds me of that. I mean, it doesn't stink. I mean, it's not like moldy or mildewy or anything like that, but it's just got that, it just triggered that memory for me. So yeah, I think I only went down in that cellar one time my entire life. But that's what it made me think of, is my great-grandma's cellar that was underneath her house. It had like the doors that you lift up on the outside. And then we went down these really creepy stairs, and yeah, so anyways, how did we go from Christmas Cottage scented scent flower to my grandma's cellar? I don't know, but I did. I went there. So, yeah. Now these are the items that are Christmas presents. So the first one that I got is this character here. I'll try and open it without tearing up the box. And this is what it is. Now, why is this in Scentsy, you ask? Let me show you. It has a zipper opening right here, and you put a scent packet in it. So that way, when they're snuggling with their new buddies, it has a nice smell. Let me show you the scent packet for this one. Even the scent packet's cute. And then here's the scent packet that goes inside of that. Is that not the cutest little thing ever? And it's just a little bag. It's got an elastic band up there, and you just tuck that inside. It smells really good. Really good. So that is for one of my daughters. And then my other daughter is getting this character. How cute is that? Oh, look, it's peeking out. It's bigger than I thought it would be. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at his ears. Oh my gosh. And his little feet, and it says Scentsy on the bottom. This is the cutest thing ever. Ever. Oh my gosh. I want this one. Maybe I need to get one of these and put it in my office instead. Let me show you the scent pack that goes with this one. That's what that looks like. Smells good too. I'm going to put this in here. The other box isn't big enough for me to get the scent pack in, but this one is, so there's what we got. My kiddos will not be disappointed with those. Those are all the extra items that I got. Now, let's get into the November 2021 Whiff Box. Here's what the boxes look like, and it just folds open here. And you never know what you're going to get in these. Well, I mean, you know that you're going to get a scent bar, which is a little wax melt. You're going to get the scent of the month, and then you'll get a couple samples. Usually you get a sample of what the scent for next month is. You guys, you're not going to believe what's in here. It's a scent flower, but it's in Joy and Wonder. Well, now I have 2 fall fragrances. Let's see if the flower's the same. Now how am I supposed to decide which one I want to use first? Now see, this one's different. Look at that flower. The last one was a rose. This is, what is this called, guys? Remind me. I can't remember. Or here's the wick that goes down into the oil. Wow. I have 2 scent flowers now. That is so funny. But like I said, that is in the scent Joy and Wonder. And I don't know how familiar you guys are with Scentsy, but they've got all kinds of products. They've got the scent bars, of course. They've got the wax warmers. They've got all kinds of fragrance options, but they've also got a personal care and a home care line. And this, I'm assuming, has to be some kind of cleaner. Yeah, it's a counter cleaner, and it is in the scent Evergreen and Grapefruit. So that's going to be perfect for this time of year with the evergreen scent. Very happy to have that. And then it's got the yellow spray bottle. And this is not like a small sample size bottle. This is a big bottle. Really excited to give that one a try. I've got an air freshener in vanilla mint. I need one of these. I was just thinking about that. I'm going to put this right by my keys so I remember to take it out to my car today. We've got 2 scent bars. The first one is called Arctic Kiss. I haven't smelled either of these. Ooh, that smells really good. And then the second full Scentsy bar that we have is called Polar Bear Hug. And that's what that looks like. And I don't know, in case you guys haven't seen them, these are what the scent bars look like. It's just a big brick of wax, and they're kind of separated into 8 little cubes. And depending on the size warmer that you're using, you usually use 1 to 2. Oh, it smells real. Oh, it smells like a nice clean blanket. Like a clean snuggly blanket. Oh, wow. But anyways, what I was saying is you usually use 1 to 2 of these depending on the size of your warmer, and they last forever. These are not like the ones that you get from the drugstore or Walmart. And I'm not dissing those, but they don't last as long as these. These, if I were to leave my warmer on 24 hours a day, which I don't, but if I were, would probably last a couple weeks. Now, if you turn it off like you're supposed to, I would say you would get at least a month out of 2 of these. They're fantastic and they last forever. So while you're spending a little bit more on the scent bars than you would from the other stores, they last longer. So, I mean, as far as money goes, I would say the price is comparable because the quality is so much better. And here is our sample for the scent of the month for next month. And it is called Black Forest Pine. And when I use these, I just drop the entire thing in my wax warmer. Can't really smell it, but I love pine scented stuff this time of year. We've got cats and we've got a dog. Well, you all have met Ace. So we do not like to keep a live tree in the house because he gets into it and it just makes a big mess. So we keep an artificial tree. And I love having this around because it makes it smell like we have a real tree. So, yeah. All right, guys. That is it. You saw my 2 Christmas presents that I got for the kiddos. Got the Whiff Box. We've got 2 scent flowers. We've got 2 scent bars. We've got the sample for next month. And then we've got this evergreen and citrus countertop cleaner. So very, very excited. Let me know what you guys thought down in the comment. What is your favorite Scentsy scent? I'm always in the market for a new one. And I'm just Without being able to smell them, it's hard for me to decide. I'm going to put a link down below in the description for my Scentsy dealer. Her name is Angie. If you decide to get anything or you want to try anything for yourself, please use that link. It would really help her out. And she's such a fantastic, sweet lady. I love being able to support her in her small business. So anyways, guys, thank you so very much for seeing what I got with this Scentsy haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I look forward to sharing my next Whiff Box with you guys. And until next time, keep smiling. Bye.